but the queen has been overthrown, and I am not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not keeping now the strength I need to push me. You show the lights.
I'm gonna do a screen replacement for this, but I'm gonna show you the way the screen is. So I'll be doing a screen replacement for this, yeah, and in doing so we need to remove the screws at the back of it. So I'm gonna just go and do so now. See if I could get the correct fit screwdriver. Ensure that you remove all the screws. Okay guys, so that is it. All the screws are now unscrewed. So but we still need to look carefully for any screw that might still be in. Here's one there, so I'm gonna make sure that is out now. So I'm gonna take those screws and I'm gonna put them in the back cover. So there in the back cover. So now we need to just examine the phone for any hidden screws, if any, and then we need to just take apart the back, yeah, and you can use your plastic tool to do so, or if it happens that you have fingernail, you can do so also, which is a bit more safer in my opinion. So the back cover is now removed, and you can see them on the board here, right? So you can see the motherboard here with everything connected, the camera and everything. So what we're gonna be doing here, we're gonna be removing the screen. Yeah, we're gonna be replacing that. So we need to just unplug the ribbon, this one here for the screen, and also the digitizer ribbon at the top. So this one here is the digitizer right here. So screen and also digitizer, which is the touch. So we're gonna do a replacement here, guys. So what we'll need to do, we would need to remove this frontwards, meaning that we would have to heat this in order to get it up with the heat gun. And I'm just looking at it to see in this position here where the ribbon is, and from the look of things it looked like we would have to even remove the board to get this ribbon move as the screen is inside. Okay, so guys, so this is working on that package, and this is the screen and digitizer. So this is the digitizer here. So this is it here, and also the screen here. This is what we're gonna be doing, guys. Screen and also digitizer. Yeah, so we need to heat this thing up to take it out. I'm gonna show you how to do so now. Okay guys, so this is the big man, yeah, and this is the screen that we're gonna heat, and we're gonna do so on the lowest on this heat gun. So just gonna heat around the side. Okay guys, so here we are. We heat the digitizer, and that is just to loosen up things. I'm just using this razor blade to help create some space here. So in doing these stuff, you know, you gotta find some way of creating some techniques to help you out on the way. Yeah. In this case here, I would just recommend that you use a business card in removing the digitizer on the screen, as it will stick together. So we're gonna be a bit careful here in removing it, because we don't want to split it anyway. I mean, it is not good, but not because it is not good, we're just gonna not take our time, you know. Gotta do it properly. So as you can see here, yeah, adhesive at the bottom is very tight. So we're gonna take our time, remove it, as you can see here. Let's remove. So this is the screen right here, and as I said before, we have to remove the motherboard in order to remove this ribbon. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. A lot of work, man, and in doing so we need to just unplug the rest cables like this, unplug the camera, and also the front camera as well. Unplug those and analyzing the board for screws. Haven't seen any, so I'm gonna go ahead and lift the board. I just lift the board, and here's the ribbon here. We're gonna just remove this tape right here. So remove this tape right here and remove the LCD cable. I'm gonna just remove the board. And just remove the board by unplugging this cable right here. And also for the Wi-Fi signal, remove this cable as well, this one there. So we are just removing the entire thing here. We're gonna remove all of this, remove the tape as it is holding us back there. So here we are. Also, there's a piece of a graphics card kind of thing here. We need to lift this up also. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. We need to lift this also in order to get the screen out. And now it should just come right out. So this is it. This is how you remove your LG M323 screen, and it is out. As you can see here, it is out. And I do like the adhesive that is on it, as you can see. So there is adhesive on this one, which is a very good thing. You know, if it happened that this came without, we would have to put on adhesive on it. So I'm gonna go right ahead and I'm gonna go and install the screen. It's very fragile, you know, it's very fragile. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and need to do so by just putting it into an angle sort of thing till we go right in like this. And when we're in, we are in. Yeah, so we are in there, and this need to stick right there. So this is how you do it. Yeah, this is how you do it. Just gonna use this piece of styrofoam to put this on here so that it don't move. Right here. And now I'm gonna install back the board into perfect position. I'm gonna reuse the same tape here. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinsert the board. And now we also have to reinstall the camera. also we have to reinstall this cable right here, and I just want to advise you, when doing so, you want to take your time, ensure that it is perfectly aligned, and also last but not least, this ribbon here. I'm just gonna go and I'm going to connect the screen, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna do so now. The screen is connected, so the screen is connected. I'm gonna use a solar charger, and I'm gonna ensure that the screen is working, yeah, because it's a whole waste of time doing this thing, and for some reason, if we finish, the screen isn't working, or the screen came damaged or something. So I'm gonna just do a test, yeah. Time wasted can't be regained, so I'm gonna just go ahead now and I'm gonna plug this up. And I know that you guys are seeing this, that the screen is working perfectly, and we can see a 1% on the phone. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the job, and that is when we say everything level. And doing a test like this means that everything is perfectly connected, everything in terms of this strip here with the charging port connecting to the motherboard, so everything there is working, and that we're doing everything here properly, so that we don't have to open back our phone later on. Yeah, so back to the screen here, we need to take this, and when we do so, we don't want to be touching the display or anything with our finger, as it can create fingerprint mark. The next thing now, we are going to install our digitizer. Yeah, in this case, it will be a good thing for me to test the digitizer before applying it, ensuring that it is working, because this one is not working. This one is banged up, as you can see, it's cracked up. So we need to install this, and if you can test it before applying, I would suggest that you do so. This is the only one that I have, so if it is working or not, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. It is very good to do these sort of tests before applying. It make life more easier, and it help you to be on target with what you're doing. Ensure that the button here is well aligned, and this will just stick for itself, as there is an adhesive sticker on it. So I'm gonna go ahead now, I'm gonna just connect the digitizer cable. So this, now I can see everything legit, yeah. So I'm gonna just go now and put back on the back cover, everything legit. Put on the back cover now. And here's where we screw back the screws that we unscrewed. So, but before doing so, I'm gonna do another test, yeah. And I would just advise you guys to just do an overall test. Turn on your phone, ensure that everything is working, the touch and everything is working. For me now, I'm just gonna bypass the testing the touch, as I'm trying to finish up here, and this would take some time to charge, and it's not very good to turn on your phone, you know, when the battery is very low. It can kill your battery lifespan, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave this to charge after I'm finished, but I have faith, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just unplug. And I'm just gonna go take out the battery. I'm just gonna go and screw back in those screws. And this is how you're going about replacing your LG screen and digitizer for LG M323. And also I do believe that it will be the similar procedure for other LG phones as well. And I happen to work on other phones like the G3, G4 and so on, but I never really got the time to do a video. So guys, I just want you guys to subscribe to my channel for more videos, like this video, and if it happens that it helps you, also you can share it to your friends. Yeah, so I'm Lens. Subscribe for more tech tips video, and most importantly, join the empire. Yeah, I'm Lens. I'm out. So yeah, finished linking up the phone, so I'm just gonna turn it on and show you everything, guys. So this is it here. LG, life's good.